Go to the Steel Connections view. Press Insert and select the two elements to connect. You have a list of possible connections to insert. Define the connection properties. View the construction detail preview. Press Finish to conclude insertion. You can insert various connection types such as beam or continuous column, angle cleats and flanges between beam to column and beam to beam, splice plates and flanges, gusset plates, anchor plates for foundations, copy the connection to other similar connection nodes. With Edit, modify the connection properties. With Delete, simply delete the connection.